Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 10. Means of communication. Knowledge acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the importance of transport, the means of land, water and air transport. Communication means to sending or receiving the messages or information. Means of communication has made our life easier and faster. We have many ways to send these messages. These are called means of communication. Personal communication, letters, telephone, mobile, etc. are the personal means of communication. Letter. It is the oldest means of communication. In ancient times, people used the pigeons or messengers to send their messages. But nowadays we have post office which helps us to send or receive messages. We buy postcards, envelopes, inlands, stamps from the post office. We write our message and address on the backside, then we put it into letterbox. The postman collects the letters and takes them to the nearby post office. He sorts out the letters and then these letters are sent to different cities. Letters are again sorted out according to the areas and then a postman delivers the letters to their receivers. We can send the money order and parcels through the post office. Telephone. It is the most common and the fastest means of communication. Through telephone we can talk to a person who is at far-off places. In modern era, mobile phones are very popular. We can carry them wherever we go. Fax. Through this machine we can send our written matter in a short time. This fax machine is attached to the telephone lines. Email. Electronic mail or email is the latest and quickest development in the field of communication. In this system, a person can type the message and send it to the email address of his/her friend with the help of computer. To send a message through email, both sender and receiver must have a computer and internet connection. Mass media communication. Newspaper, magazines, radio, television, etc. are the examples of mass media communication. Newspaper. It is an important means of mass communication for the people who can read. It contains current news and other useful messages published in newspapers. Newspaper reading is a good habit. A newspaper contains the news of all parts of the world. Radio. It is older than the television. We can hear every type of news and programs on radio. But nowadays the uses of radio is very less. Television. It is another means of mass media communication. It is used for conveying public, politics, notices, number of advertisements and news. We watch films on TV. We can watch the live telecast. Nowadays, television is the most popular means of mass media communication. Besides these means of communication, there are other means of communication like Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Critical thinking. We should not watch television for a long time. Continuous review. Sending or receiving messages is called the communication. Nowadays, various means of communication are used. Letters, email, fax, etc. are the examples of personal communication. Radio, television, etc. are the examples of mass media communication. Computer is the fastest and latest means of communication.
like, share and subscribe.